Hi guys, this is the second class of SEO full course. In this class, we will discuss what is keyword research and what is this related thing and how can get free by this tool. Google Trends, Ubersuggest, Keywordserver, Ahrefs, SEMrush. Now, at first we know what is keyword research. Keyword research is the process of finding words or phrases people used to search online. Sneaker shoes. Sneaker shoes is the keyword. If user writes something this search box, then it is keyword. It may be long tail keyword, it may be short tail keyword. One word or more word, both are known as keyword. And this is important. This keyword is very important to find out target audience and improve website visibility, website ranking in the search engine. Sneaker shoes, it is our keyword. Then we go to search volume. What is search volume? Search volume measures how often a keyword search. How often a keyword searched monthly. This is called search volume. The estimated monthly search volume, sneaker shoes, 5,400. This is monthly search volume. Search volume measures how often a keyword searched by user monthly. This is called search volume. Then low competitive keyword. Low competitive keyword, that means if fewer websites target that keyword. Fewer websites. Best sneaker shoes. Best sneaker shoes in Bangladesh. It is low competitive keyword and high search volume. Low competitive, that means target two website targeted. Few competitors targeted. That is low competitive keyword. Location based result. Location based, that means it target a specific rain. A specific rain. Now it is France, or it may be Bolivia. Targeted. Now it is best sneaker shoes in Bangladesh. It is targeted for Bangladesh, this keyword. This is location based result. Relevant keyword. Relevant keyword, that means related to your niche. For SEO blog, on-page optimization tips is related niche for SEO blog. This is for related SEO blog. This is niche relevant. Long tail keyword. Long tail keyword related keyword by long tail keyword. You can say this is long tail keyword. Keywordserver is another browser tool that show long tail keyword. If you add your browser Keywordserver, then you can get this type of result: long tail keyword, related keyword, trending keyword by Keywordserver tool. Long tail keyword, that means one page optimization in digital marketing. Then we go to Google Trends tools. Google Trends is free tool by Google. You can get here idea, suggestion, related queries. Now we go to Google Trends. Google Trends. Click here. Google Trends home, explore trending now. Now enter a keyword to see how it is trending. Type here your targeted keyword or your niche. SEO. Search term. SEO search term. Now you can change this location worldwide. Change it. Past day, past 5 years, all categories. Yes, you can change these categories. Pet and animals, and then web search. Trends, past 5 years. And related topics. SEO chat GPT, this is related queries, GPT SEO, SEO something and more. You can get related queries on this topic, on these queries. Related topics you can get from here. Get an idea and take a topic, explore a new idea or new business. Or you can compare from here. Plus add your system, video editing. Video editing system. Then you can see trends and compare it. Or you can change these categories, all categories. All categories. You can see its trends and get an idea which topic is important to select your niche. You can take an idea, related queries, interested by region or rising, or you can download, share for video editing, CapCut video editing, CapCut. And you can click here trending now. You can change this location. Italy. Past 24 hours or past 4 hours. You can see what is trending now, and you can take an idea to create a blog from here. Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest is a paid tool, but partially you can use it. But partially you can use it as free. Ubersuggest. Chrome extension. You can add your Chrome extension of Ubersuggest and start 7-day free trial to unlock all data. You can use for 7 days free. Then we go to Keywordserver. Keywordserver is another Chrome browser, another paid tool. This is paid tool, Keywordserver, but Chrome, if you add Chrome extension with your browser, then you can get free idea by Keywordserver, related keyword, Longtail Keyword, and get keyword ideas. It is very important, and it is very effective to get idea. Ahrefs, another paid tool. Ahrefs, SEMrush, both are paid tool, but partially you can use it as free. SEMrush. Find SEO keyword suggestion instantly with the keyword magic tool. You can use this part free, as free. SEO audit. You can use this part of SEMrush as free. This is also traffic and market insights that deliver result. Enter your domain and then analysis. Then go to Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a paid tool, but as beginner you can use it as free part, and this is very effective and useful. Enter your keyword and find keywords. Enter your keyword. Keyword ideas for SEO blog. SEO blog. This is hard. KD volume. This is hard and easy. SEO blog writing services. This is easy. As a beginner, we can use this tool as free and effectively. Bye bye. See you next.